Now it's Easter Sunday and it's Quiva's first Easter Sunday and her first chocolate. I'll have more, thank you. I'll bite the spoon too.
Chocolate.
Chocolate custard. Very special. As you can see, we've got pumpkin all over the bib. Some of it did go into our daughter, we think. This is nice, isn't it? Yes. Is that nice? Why is Apple standing there with a video camera? I'm concentrating on the bowl, Apple. Never mind you clicking at me. I'm wondering how much more there is for me. Right, pinky for people. That's it. Wait on. Hand down. Good girl. Need some to take yourself in a second. Yeah. I'd happily eat a whole jar of this. I've inherited my mother's chocolate sweet tooth.
I have a chocolate goatee.
Oh, I have. I was trickling chocolate. Big spoon. A little more often you can have it. Okay. Alright, now you can have it. Okay, in you go. That's it. See, I can feed myself. None of this business of them feeding me. I do it far more neatly myself. I don't spray chocolate everywhere. Or eat the wrong end of the spoon. Taste gone. There was a nice taste there. Oh, there it is. Yes, hours of fun with a spoon. Of course I may get it in my eye sometimes, but that's part of the job description.
How is your chocolate?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Is good.
Chocolate.
Okay.
Just trying to everything. Here is one of Quiva's Easter eggs. And we're going to try the little bit of chocolate.
Small piece.
Tiny piece. Tiny piece. Melt it a bit first. Okay, fine. It's a bit too hard, I think. Okay, fine. No, I want the spoon. Spoon for me, thank you. I'll just give it a that. Oh, is there more? Last little bit with a tiny piece of melted chocolate. Oh, I got the bowl. I got the bowl. Now, here's some chocolate. Can I eat the bowl?
Why is the bowl not made of food?
Is there more inside? If I turn it upside down, will more come out? I get my hand in and I'm covered in chocolate. Yay! I'm going to taste Chris' Easter egg.
Okay. I just
Pop, pop. Taste.
up I have chocolate. Up I have chocolate.
Let's break some.